What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today I want to talk about all of the new traders and day traders entering into the stock market. Right now, business is booming with all of this new money coming into the stock market. You don't know how many messages I get on my social media platforms and emails I get from multiple people asking what's the best trading strategy, how do I find hot stocks, and how do I trade stocks. And then once I tell them that it's a lot of hard work, I don't hear nothing from them. A lot of people are messaging me only wanting hot stock picks. There is a lot of money coming into this market, and if you want to take this seriously, it's going to take a lot of hard work. It's a lot more difficult than you think. You got to consider your emotional intelligence, psychology, learning the ins and outs about finance in the stock market, learning all of the terms and lingo that all of us use. It's the journey. You got to get that screen time in, and I preach this. It took me over 2 years to become consistently profitable day trading. I'm going to leave a link for you guys down in the video description. I have a playlist. I've been day trading for a total of 5 years now. I have been making YouTube videos for going on 2 years now. We are coming up on the 2-year YouTube anniversary on June 20th, which is today, as a matter of fact. 2-year anniversary, Trading Learning 101 on YouTube. I have a playlist. You guys have to watch it. Day Trading Confessions. I have 21 videos in this playlist, pretty much going over my journey, the struggles that I've overcome, the struggles I deal with as a day trader, how I learned, what I learned from. If you want this, you really got to strive and work for it. Day trading and investing in the stock market is one of the hardest jobs in the world, and this is no BS. I'm not going to blow smoke up your butt. There are a lot of scams out there. They call it the Wolf of Wall Street for a reason. Everybody out there is a wolf, ruthless as can be. They have a price tag on everything. Everybody's out here to make a dollar. It's a business within a business within a business. Let's go over Google Trends. Let's bring this up and look at it. We're going to look up day trading. Back a year ago in 2019, the search term day trading was at an average of 20 searches a day. Now you see this big ramp up right here. Currently, right now, day trading, June 13th of 2020, day trading is getting searched 100 times a day. Look at that spike up in day trading. Ever since this pandemic hit and this virus, people are laid off of work. They got extra time on their hands. They're seeing all of these ads on YouTube and all over the internet. Make money now. Turn 1,000 into 50,000. It's not as easy as that. It's going to take a lot of hard work, and people still overlook that. There's so much to learn. So much. So in this video, we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to look up search terms, see the spikes in the search terms, and I'm just going to be brutally honest with you guys on whatever I talk about. I'm going to do this video freely, see what comes to mind. If you guys have any comments on this topic that I'm going to be covering in this video, leave the comments down below. If you're new and you want to take day trading seriously, join the Trading Learning 101 Discord group. I finally decided to open this up to the public. I'm always sharing my ideas, and there's all kinds of great educational channels for free in this Discord. So if you want to take this seriously, you don't want to be a sheep, and you actually want to learn, join this Discord. But back to the Google Trends. Look at this. The #1 search is from Utah, followed by New Jersey and New York, Florida, and Alaska. People are all laid off from work. Either they got let go from work. People are looking to make money at home with the social distancing and being locked inside. People are just throwing money into the stock market right now. And it's June, the middle of June. It's supposed to be slow trading months right now. Psychologically, during normal market conditions, all the big money goes on vacation with their family. They go on vacation, take the summer off. All the kids are out from school. Parents are busy. There's really no activity going on during the summer in the stock market. But this summer, in 2020, everything's exploding and going supernova, parabolic, and wild. So many stocks. BYFC going from under $2 up to $7. U1 going from $4 up to $55 in a few days. COHN going from $4 up to $24. IMRN going from $2 up to almost $30. So many stocks exploding. This is abnormal in the stock market. I'm not complaining. I'm making record money right now in the stock market. Keep all of this new money coming in. I'm loving it. But I will be honest with you guys. If you think you know it all and you think that this is easy, you're in for a big reality check soon. The stock market is gonna humble you, and it is just gonna smack you in the face, take everything from you, and even more if you have no risk management and if you don't learn about this. You have to take this seriously. 90% of people fail in the stock market. 90%. And this has all happened before. History repeats itself over and over and over and over again in the stock market. They call them bubbles. One of the first big bubbles in the stock market was tulip mania, way back in the 1600s. Look at the valuation of this going all the way up and then just crashing all the way down. Here we go. Here's another good picture here. We got tulip mania right here. Then we had the dot-com boom in the early 2000s. And then recently we had the Bitcoin boom. I remember the Bitcoin boom. It was wild times in the stock market. Everywhere you went, everybody was talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin this, blockchain that, cryptocurrency that. And then the holiday season came around. What was it? 2017, 2018, topped out at 20,000, and then boom, all the way down to 10,000, 5,000, 4,000. These boom and bust bubbles happen all the time because human nature never changes. Now, with all of this new money entering into the stock market, history will repeat itself. And I'm not trying to be the bad guy here. I'm just stating facts from the history. History will repeat itself. It has many times in the past. And if you're watching this video, consider it a warning. The good times will not last forever. If you're new, brand new in the stock market, 6 months, and you're just killing it, making money left and right, easy money, and then you want to quit your job, and then stock market starts to get hard, and then you start losing money, then you start freaking out, and then you lose more money, and then before you know it, you're down 75%, and then you quit. That's how most people do it. They make some money, then they slowly start to lose it, or they lose it all, and then they quit. It's a big emotional and psychological game in the stock market. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm just trying to state facts in this video and just voicing my opinions. Now that we see this spike in day trading, let's compare it to how to day trade. Look at that. And look at the average. The average day trading is at 34, and the average for how to day trade is at a 4. And you can see the chart right here, the comparison. Back then, how to day trade was getting an average of 3, maybe 2 searches a day. Now, it's at an average of 10 searches a day. Day trading is at an average of 100 searches a day. So do the math. 90% of people lose in the stock market. There's 100 searches per day. But when you look at the terms of how to day trade, the search results is at 10. 90% of people fail in the stock market. The 10% that are currently looking up how to day trade is the 10% of who can make it in this market. People just want fast money and they want it now. It's just like that commercial you see. It's my money and I want it now. Yeah, it's my money and I want it now. In the stock market, you have to work for that money, and it takes a lot of time, a lot of dedication, and a passion for the stock market. Over 2 years for me to start making consistently money, losing and losing and losing. There was many times I wanted to quit, but I didn't. And I kept pushing, reinvesting money into my education, pushing, striving, all while working a 60-hour-a-week job, 6 days a week, working 60 hours at a job, studying as much as I could, sleeping 4-5 hours maybe a day. And then when my 1 day off a week came, I stayed in, I studied all day and all night, reading books, watching YouTube videos, buying any trading DVD I could get my hands on, checking out all kinds of different chat rooms, following different traders on Twitter. It's really crazy when you start looking into this stuff and putting it all together. Majority of people in the world are lazy. They don't want to do any work. Most people just want to have hot stock picks and piggyback on other people's trading. I'm not about that. So if you're watching this right now, please stop messaging me and emailing me about the stock market if you don't want to take this seriously. No, I will not give you hot stock picks. No, I'm not just going to give you all of my hard work for free. Let's look up day trading one more time. And let's do this. I want to show you guys something. Now, when we scroll down, we can see what other people are searching for related to day trading. And the number one thing people are searching is Dave Portnoy, day trading. Davey Day Trade. This guy right here. And this guy is hilarious. He's great. But you got to look at the big picture. With this pandemic going on, you have all of these sporting events shut down. So there is no sports gambling. You have all of these degenerate gamblers. And you have Dave Portnoy here. Now, I'm not hating on this guy. I love this guy. And I think he's hilarious. He starts getting into day trading. He has a huge following because he's really big into sports. All of these sporting events are shut down. Dave starts getting into day trading. So what do all these degenerate gamblers and sports betting people do? They find out about the stock market and day trading. So to make up for their sports betting, they go to day trading and trading in the stock market. And Dave has all kinds of videos of him day trading and cracking jokes, calling people out. He's better than Warren Buffett. All these people following him. So you got him being the number one search. And let's look at more of the search results. Number 2, Dave again. But number 3, stocks to buy now. Number 4, a bizarre day trading. Weeble day trading rules. And that's another thing. All of these people want to use their mobile phone to day trade. I'm going to be upfront and serious with you. If you think you want to take this seriously and you want to day trade from your phone, you're setting yourself up for failure. You really are. You need to have a professional setup and you need to look at this as professional as you can. This is your business. This is my business right here, what I built. I got myself a desktop. I have 4 monitors. I have the best high-speed internet. I have the best modem. I have a backup battery. So if the power ever goes out and I'm in the middle of a trade, I'm protecting myself. All of these things you have to think of. And you're over here trying to day trade on your phone and you're complaining that you're losing money. You're not taking it seriously. But let's look up another Google trend. We'll look up hot stocks. Now, hot stocks, look at this graph. It went from having around 20 searches per day to a high of 100 searches per day. And let's look at the related search terms. Hot stocks for 2020. hot stocks to buy now, hot stocks to buy right now, hot stocks right now, hot stocks to buy. Now let's compare hot stocks to how to find stocks. How to find stocks. Well, we'll just put how to find stocks. We'll go with that. And we'll compare the two. And look at the average on both of them. At the peak, right here, the blue line is the hot stocks. The red line is the how to find stocks. The blue line, hot stocks, is at 100. The red line, how to find stocks, is at 53. There's a lot of dumb money out there. I will say that. And as professional traders who take this seriously, and I'm not tooting my horn, but I know how to read charts. I've been doing this for a while. For us, we're kids in a candy store right now. All of this dumb money just coming into the markets, just throwing their money into the market. We're wolves. We're going to eat the sheep and the pigs. It's going to be a slaughter. So keep it coming. Keep it coming. If you're still watching this video and you want to take trading seriously, don't be shy. Go to my channel. Go through all of my videos and watch the ones that catch your eye. I have so much hard work put into this channel and my videos. Countless hours making and editing and uploading these videos for absolutely free. Take advantage of it. There are some great videos that I have put out in the past. Go through and watch them. Practice reading the tape. Day trading, stock trading halts, short sale restriction, how to find stocks using TweetDeck, the best stock market chat room, important lessons for stock traders. Day trading lessons webinar. I know my videos are fire. I really do. Also, go to the playlist section. I've built countless playlists to help organize all of my videos better for you to find easily. You want to learn about psychology? Go over to the Trading Psychology playlist. There's 11 videos in this playlist on trading psychology. Watch this stock market psychology course. I put a lot of time and dedication into making this video, and I'm very proud of this particular video right here. But I have a passion for the stock market, and I don't mind making these videos because I know the dedicated traders who want to learn will watch these videos. So everything's at your fingertips. You just have to put that work in and study and want this and have a passion for this. If you don't have a passion for the stock market and wanting to learn and grow as a trader and as a person, you will not make it in the stock market. You won't. Even as I'm 5 years into this, it's a struggle every day to adapt, learn, and grow and work on my psychology, my emotions, my emotional intelligence, and listen to what the stock market is telling me, because the stock market is always changing. Always. Just going back in this video of me putting together everybody sitting at home, all of the degenerate gamblers jumping into the stock market, stock market's going crazy when it should be slow trading months. You gotta sit and put all of that together yourself. And when you brainstorm and put ideas and strategies together like that, and you're just thinking, you have what it takes to make it in the market. I always say you have to consider yourself a detective and a scientist. You're a detective. You're observing. You're observing the scene. You're noticing what's going on. You're putting things together to make sense for yourself. And you're a scientist. You're testing, refining, testing, refining, testing again. And I will say this before I end this video. There is a lot of noise out there in the world. A lot of noise. Whether it be CNBC, Bloomberg, or if you're on Twitter looking what other people are saying, at the end of the day, everybody is right when they talk about the stock market or a specific stock. Everybody's right. Everybody knows what they're talking about. They know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the future. So even when you ask a professional trader, what does he think about a specific stock? He doesn't clearly know 100%. He's making a prediction of what could happen. And it could not even work out. It could do whatever it wants. We can't predict the future. We can't. That's why as traders, we try to use the past, the history, to help guide the future. That's why you see technical analysis work. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Even when you look up stock market crash, or what you see people talk about the stock market crash, nobody knows what will happen. Nobody. This recent downfall right here, all you've seen on TV and everybody talking was recession. We're officially in a bear market. But then look what happened. Couple months, right from the bottom, market rallied all the way back up to its all-time highs. And we're still going strong. Nobody knows what's going to happen. And you could get on YouTube, and I bet you, if you put stock market crash 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, and search all of those years, you're going to see all kinds of videos pop up of people giving you what you are looking for. Nobody knows what's going to happen. That's why it's important for you to learn how to read charts, learn about the stock market, learn all of the ins and outs, learn from multiple people, take what you want from all of those multiple people, and honestly, who cares what other people say and other people's opinions? The only thing that should matter is what you think. You come up with your own ideas. What do you think's gonna happen? Practice, 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 and over time you're gonna get better and better and better. You think Bruce Lee just became the best and the all-time great at martial arts? No, he practiced and he obsessed over it. Every second of his living life, he dedicated to what he was passionate about. That's how he became the best. So who cares what other people think? Focus on yourself, do your own research, your own work, and it will pay off. Most definitely. And honestly, since you guys made it far in this video and you're still watching, I've done my best work on my own. When I started out, I learned from multiple different people, and I took what I wanted from those people and I searched myself. I found out what are my weaknesses and what are my strengths. And I've built my trading strategy and how I look at the market, and I've built it around all of my personal strengths. That's what it's all about at the end of the day. And whatever you're weak at, your weaknesses, go out and pursue other people who make up for your weaknesses. That's why I take my Discord chat room very seriously, and I am very picky about who I let in on my team. All of my teammates in here make up for my weaknesses that I lack, and they stick around possibly because I make up for some of their weaknesses. And then we come together as a team, and the rest is history. I'm serious about the stock market, and I'm serious about day trading. I want to continue to pursue this. I'm going to do whatever I can to make that happen. And I am passionate about this. I'm not here to make just a quick buck. I live, sleep, eat, think about all the time the stock market. I'm obsessed. That's going to wrap it up for this rant, guys. I'm sorry it's this long, but I just wanted to voice my opinions and get some things off my chest. I've been getting a lot of messages and emails from people asking how to trade when they don't know nothing at all. It takes a lot of hard work, a lot. And if you want to be around and be a part of the Trading Learning 101 community, prove it to me. Be here every day. Actions speak louder than words. Just because you say you're going to do something doesn't mean you're going to do it. Show up every day. Put that screen time in. Show that you care and that you want to learn this and that you're dedicated. Ask questions. Don't rush the process. I know you want to make money now. I know you do. But it's not going to happen. Or if you do, it's luck. It really is. At the end of the day and at the end of the road, the stock market will take it right back and then some. It's all a big psychological game. It really is. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the Trading Learning 101 YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Join the community where we all grow as traders and investors. Leave comments down below. What are your guys' opinions? What did you think of this video? What do you think of all of this new money and new traders enter into the markets? As I said, it's just another bubble. And the bubble, it'll eventually pop. Till next time, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?